Welcome back to 4 Wheel Fun Bros and another video with my brother's 335. Today, as you can see, got the rear lip spoiler on the trunk and we're gonna apply it. So gonna try to make the car look a little better. So the rear lip my brother got off eBay and it came with this thin 3M tape. So we're gonna try to apply it probably on the edges right here and maybe alongside of this part. Then we got this kind of thicker one. It's I believe 7/8 inch or something like that, and we're gonna apply it right here. So you guys will see in the video, and this should work out. So all we gotta do is just wash up this trunk and install it. So let's get started. He's the man himself. Follow him on YouTube. Bullet McNugget. Yeah. He builds trucks. So if you guys into that, subscribe to him. But anyways, we got that lip installed. Here is the car. Just parked it on the bottom to show it to you guys. Here's the quarter panel and how it sits. The lighting isn't the best right now. The sun is kind of hitting it, but it is what it is. There you have it. This is my favorite angle, pretty much, with this lip. So the more things we add on, the more these wheels look smaller and the more they look sunken inside. So just a little surprise, my brother did already commit to some Apex wheels. Later on, you guys will see when they arrive. Might be a month or two when they come in. But there was a group buy. He pledged that he's getting them. So he's getting some 18-inch Apex wheels. So stay tuned for that. So just a little about this lip. It's not like the best fitment. Pretty much the only way it's holding on is by the 3M tape that's mounted on this portion. So all the 3M tape that we put right there installed, there's a gap and it's not even holding. So it's still, it's solid and it's holding. My brother's not going to be driving too fast, so downforce shouldn't be crazy. So it should be secured. So there we have it. Now we're going to move on to the front lip and install it. Let's go and get it. So yesterday we got a little too lazy, and at the same time we did get a little too hungry. So we decided to go where the cost is low. So we decided to go to Costco, and we got some hot dogs, some pizza. I don't know how Costco does it. Inflation keeps going up, but the hot dog price is still staying at $1.50 for like 10 years now. So yeah, we got a slice of pizza. Oh yeah, with the drink, hot dog for like $3.70, $3.80. So in California, that's amazing. So with that out of the way, we got this front bumper here, and we decided to take it off. So here we are on the front end. We finally mounted the lip, and let me just show you the best way I can. I am laying down, and if the camera shakes, I'm sorry, but gonna try to show you kind of what we did. So as you can see right here, that one bolt with the washer, 2, 3, and 4. These further ones out, so starting from 1, 2, 3, and 4, they're the original holes from BMW and this aftermarket bumper. So the holes in the bumper, we did not drill any other extra ones. We just matched it up on the lip and drilled them through. The only one that we did add into the bumper and the lip is this one right here. So pretty much we added that one. That way we could kind of get the lip up and just have a less gap and pretty much have the lip a little sitting higher, which I think is better. And the other thing, just tell you guys, so pretty much, again, we use the same holes for the bumper along to the fender liner, so they match up. These two right here. All we did was pretty much extended the screws. So these were bolts and these are just original screws. So the original screw from BMW, if you could see, it's not going to reach. So we just had to find longer ones, and that pretty much did the deal. So 1, 2 on this side and 2 on the opposite side. So let me just get up, get my blood flowing out of my head, and here's the lip. Pretty much just did it in the backyard and front garage. So I'm gonna drop the car right now and do a quick walk around, wipe everything, and you guys could see for yourself. But before we drop the car, we gotta make sure we get this jack stand out of the way. Alright, so I can't end the video without showing you guys a walk around. The 240. Just playing. Look, no wheel gap. Let's head over this thing. Almost no wheel gap. Lots of wheel gap. And where I'm going with that is the more things we add on, the more these wheels kind of look sunken in and just too small. So, like I said before, just a little teaser. Gonna say again, my brother did order some, what are those, Apex wheels. I'm not gonna say what model, but they'll probably be in about a month or so. So he's continuing the build. We're thinking we'd probably do that maybe Christmas, season or time, but ended up doing it sooner. But with that said, here she is. The lip is on. Car, gotta say, looks a lot more complete with the ECS 20 plate and the lip and the grills and this colorway, Tasman green. Kind of just looks more complete, more just like solid, a little more like circular, fat, all the above. Oh man, that wheel gap though. Don't mind that part right there. We're just looking at the lip. But yeah, about the lip, the fitment was not bad. Can't complain. We decided to remove the front bumper and just do it legitly. Nice. So we don't have any crazy gaps and just less struggling in general. I guess I'll go down here too, so can't just show one side and then not show the bad side or something. But yeah, there is no bad side. Looks pretty good. So this video is gonna be the front lip, I guess, and show you quickly the rear. One thing we do got left is just those muffler tips and muffler delete, so that'll be coming up next. But here we have it. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe. All the subscribers and all my YouTubers staying tuned with us. Thank you. And for Fun Bros, we out.